Hey, come make dinner with me. Like most people over 35, I love IKEA. Only one thing better than walking miles and miles of a living Pinterest board, and that's getting to the end and having some Swedish meatballs. So when IKEA released their Swedish meatballs recipe, I was all over that. Now, here's the disclaimer. I'm not feeling making meatballs from scratch today. I'll put the recipe in the comments below for IKEA's meatballs if you want to make them. But I'm using pre-made meatballs today. Don't judge me, we're doing it. So this is my recipe for IKEA's Swedish meatballs. Now I just need some lingonberry jam.